In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can use COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. COUNTIF function is used broadly in Microsoft Excel. Suppose we have some brand's name there and we want to calculate how much time it appears in the brand. Suppose here is one is Toshiba. Is there any repeated? Yes, here is repeated, and total it will count. COUNTIF function will count total number of this brand. Let's do it, you will be more clear. Just we want to count the Lenovo brand here, so we are selecting this cell, then equal enter equal COUNTIF, COUNT ifs. Here you can see second function there and enter tab. Now this is criteria range, and from which criteria we want to select, and this is our criteria, and we are selecting this. Then put a comma. Then what brand we want to count? We want to count Lenovo. That's it. Though Lenovo is a text, that's why we are putting double quotation here, writing Lenovo as like this, and putting double quotation and closing the bracket. Put enter. Here you can see Lenovo is counted 4 times. Here if you want to count in manual, then you will see here 2 times Lenovo and 2 times here, total 4 times. This is how you can use COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.